Hi students, today we'll discuss about functional groups, IUPAC, uh, suffixes and prefixes. So which two functional groups is there in the compound means which is we will take prefix, which is we will take suffixes. So according to priority order we will take which is a prefix and which is a suffix. Okay, so now based on functional group, what is suffix, what is prefix, first we will learn about that. So for example, first one is alkane. Alkanes, it is a compound. Alkane means structure. Alkane structure and prefix and suffix. Example, prefix, suffix and example. So prefix, suffix and structure. Here compound, class of compound, so it is I am taking alkane. Alkanes means single bond. Alkanes means single bonds. No prefix for that. Suffix is ane. Suffix is ane. Example is, for that example is CH3 CH2, one more CH2 CH3. So this is example. Name is butane. Name is butane. Like second one, alkene. Alkenes. So structure of alkene is C double bond C. Like hydrogens, two hydrogens here, two hydrogens here. This is prefix for this one. No need. There is no prefix for this one. Suffix is ene. So example for that, CH2 double bond CH and CH2 CH3. So this is example. Name of this one is but1ene. So 1ene means 1 2 3 4, 4 carbons but, double bond where it is there, first carbon, so 1ene. So this is the example of example and name of alkane. Next one, alkynes. C triple bond C. So this is no prefix. Suffix is yne. Example of this one is CH triple bond C, then CH2 CH3, like this. So why this carbon there is no hydrogen? Because already 3 bonds is there. This side 1, 4 bonds enough. Okay, 3 bonds plus 1 bond. Remember, this is a 3 bonds between this carbon and this carbon. Okay, 3 bonds between that carbon. Expansion form I will write CH2 and CH3. 3 bonds between this one. Here one hydrogen is there. This is example for this one. Name but 1yne. So 1 2 3 4 carbons. Yes, Amma. Next, halides. Halide means that is a structure X. X equal to what? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that. Suffix for them no need, no suffix, but prefix is there, that is halo. We should mention halo. Example of for that, CH3 CH2 and CH2, one more CH2 Br you can take. So 1 2 3 4 carbons. 4 carbons means butane, ane, all single bonds. 1-bromobutane. 1-bromo, because first carbon having bromine. 1-bromo we should mention. Prefix means before root word only we should write. Root word what? How many carbon atoms? That is root word. So here 4 carbon atoms, that is butane. How many which carbon attached to bromine? First carbon. 1-bromobutane. Prefix means root word front we should write. Suffix means after the root word we should write. So that prefix, suffix. Already one class we are discussing. You can see that video also, then you can understand. Next, halides after alcohols. Functional group OH structure, and prefix, suffix for this one. Prefix we should write front, means hydroxy we should write. After the root word we should write means suffix OL we should write. OL, all. Example, why front we should write, sir? So here, if compound having two functional groups, one functional group we should take prefix, substituent. One functional group definitely we will take a substituent. Two functional groups present in the same compound, according to priority order, which is more priority, that one is like we will take major principal functional group. That name we should write like suffix. But which is substituent, that name we should write prefix. If it is OH is lower priority, means we will take that is hydroxy. If OH is major priority principal functional group, we will take OL. That so example of this one, CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CHOH CH3, like is there. So then we will take 1 2 3 4 carbons. Name of this one is 2. We will take what? Butane 2-ol also. Butane and 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. That means second carbon having this one. So I am taking only suffix. Prefix when we will take, here one more any carboxylic group is there, means COOH present here. COOH is there, means 1 2 3 4 5 we will take. So then this name is 2-hydroxy butanoic acid. 2-hydroxy butanoic acid will come for that, because priority order, if it is carboxylic acid is major principal functional group, means this one substituent we will take. That substituent name is hydroxy. But here this is only principal functional group in this compound. So then we will take what? After root word suffix. Suffix name is OL. Which position? Second position. Like next, alcohol after aldehyde. Aldehydes. Aldehyde form CHO. This one prefix and suffix also is there. Prefix means formyl. Formyl or oxo. Formyl or oxo. Suffix is AL. Example, CH3 CH2, one more CH2 and CHO. Name is butanol. NAL. Butanol. AL. We will take this one. How many carbons? 1 2 3 4 carbons. But here CHO, no, this is, that means aldehyde form, no, CHO. AL we should take. Next, ketone. Ketones. Ketone formula is C double bond O, like this. Ketone. Ketone we should take for this one. This is also like formyl, no, here, or oxo also. Here also oxo or ONE. Here oxo for prefix. If it is a suffix, means we are taking suffix means ONE. So for this one example, For this one example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So it is not a chain terminating group. Chain terminating group means like this, last is there or middle also is there. This is last also is there. Last also not, last only is there for group, for that compound. This is that side, this side carbon chain is there. It is a middle, central, not a chain terminating group. In that chain, not a last, not a middle also will be there, ketones. So now this name is 1 2 3 4. So 4 carbons is there, buta, butane. Second carbon having functional group, that is ONE, butanone. Number is 2, or butane 2-1 or butanone 2, whatever it. Butane 2-1, butane 2-1 or butanone 2, both are correct. For that is ketone. Next, nitriles. Nitriles means cyanide, C triple bond N. So for this is there means prefix is cyano, suffix is nitrile. Suffix is nitrile. So example of for that, CH3, CH2, one more CH2, C, how many, 1 2 3 4 carbons we will take, CH2, CN, like this is there. How many carbons? 1 2 3 4 5 carbons. 5 means pentane, right? Pentane, ANA, pentane nitrile. Pentane nitrile. Suffix, no, after root word suffix we will take. Okay, this is about nitrile. Either, now either, ETHER, ethers, ROR, this is either. Alkoxy, no suffix. Alkoxy, only prefix for this one, no suffix, because root word front only we will write this name, not after the root word, because this is no suffix name. So example, see, one example I will give, then you can understand. Ethers, CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3, like this is there. Name, this side 2 carbons, this side also 2 carbons. Then what we will take? Alkoxy, no, alk means ethoxy, ethoxy, these 2 carbons and oxygen we are given name ethoxy. Alkoxy means that only. Remaining 2 carbons we will give ethane, ANE, ethoxy ethane. Eth, 2 carbons, oxygen, oxy, ethane, ethane. Ethane means 2 carbons. Ethoxy, ethoxy ethane, ethoxy ethane. After ethoxy ethane, ethers, carboxylic acid we will take. Carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid structure is COOH. Carboxylic acid structure COOH. So for that prefix carboxy, carboxy, suffix oic acid, suffix oic acid. Example, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH3, COOH. How many carbons? 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms is there. 4 carbon atoms means what? Butane, right? Butane. Oic acid, no, butanoic acid, butanoic acid. Next, carboxylic acid. After ester, you can take esters. Esters formula structure COOR. Here COOH, this is COOR. Here prefix alkoxycarbonyl. That suffix is O. Suffix is O8. Suffix is O8. Suffix is O8. Example: CH3 CH2 COO CH3. Like so. Now this carbon only is there. That name we should give first. Methyl. 1 2 3 3 carbons, no? First lesser carbon side, then higher more carbons. Methyl propanoate. Propanoate. See here, this is root word. This is root word. 1 2 3 propan. CH3 means that is what suffix. Prefix front we should write how many attached to that carbon or oxygen. That carbon atoms we should take first. So methyl, that is prefix methyl, root word propane, functional group O8, methyl propanoate. This is a suffix. This is suffix name we are taking. Next, ester. After amino group, amino compounds, amines means like structure is NH2. That we will take amino, or here amine. So example: CH3 CH NH2 CH2 CH3. So here 1 2 3 4 carbons. 4 carbons will take butane. 2 amine. 2 amine means second carbon having this one. So that expanded form I will write CH3 C NH2, like CH CH2 CH3, like this is there. This structure is. Now 1 2 second carbon having NH3 group, butane, 2 amine. But means 4 carbons. Second position NH3 is there. That name is, suffix name is amine, butanamine, like we should write. Next, nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means NO2 group. So that is nitro only will take. Here no suffix. So example for that, CH3 CH2 NO2. So 1 2 3 4 carbons is there. So we will take this is no suffix, no, for this one only prefix is there. Means front of the root word we should write nitro 1 first carbon having nitro, 1 nitro butane, no double bonds, 1 nitro butane. Sir, why 1 nitro butane? This side we will take no number 1 2 3 4 nitro butane, no. So functional group we should take lowest number. So how to write the name of the compound? We should follow some rules. So that rules, IUPAC nomenclature rules is there. That rules we will discuss next class. One example we will take now. One more example for this carboxylic group, these groups. Sulfonic acid acids, that is SO3H for structure. For both have, this is a sulfo for prefix sulfo, suffix is sulfonic acid. So both is there, prefix suffix also is there for sulfonic acids. Example, CH3SO3H, this is a sulfonic acid. How many carbon atoms is there? Only one. We'll take methyl, that is root word methyl. Fully we should write sulfonic acid suffix. If it is a prefix means sulfo will come. When it will come? If more than two functional groups present in the compound means we should take one of the functional group as substituent. Next one is principal functional group. For principal functional group we should write suffix name. What is suffix name of this one? Sulfonic acid. So that only sulfonic acid we should write after the root word. Okay, next class we'll discuss about nomenclature, how to write name of the compound. Thank you.